Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. Take a moment to get into a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body. Allow yourself to begin to relax, letting go of any tension or pressure. Now, following the flow of the breath, all the way from the start of inhalation through to the very end of exhalation. Noticing the full movement and rhythm of each breath. If it helps to anchor your attention on the flow of the breath, try saying breathing in as you breathe in and breathing out as you breathe out. From time to time, you'll notice that your attention becomes distracted. Just noticing that the mind has become distracted, without judging your practice or yourself. And now relax your attention. And when you're ready, slowly opening your eyes.